Hi guys, I feel like I don't even know how to start this video. It's been almost 2 weeks that I haven't filmed, and I think I missed out on 5 videos. So Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and I didn't upload anything, no stories, no updates, nothing. I kind of just disappeared. And the funny thing is, I had a plan. So, Vlog 33 was supposed to be the start of my US journey series. I had it all in my head like, okay, I'll come back strong, I'll be consistent again. But I don't know kya hua. My mind just got really loud, like constant overthinking, racing thoughts. I started to question everything, what I'm doing right now, where I'm going, who I even am right now. And it got so exhausting that I just didn't have the energy to switch on my laptop and click record. So I didn't want to force myself either. So instead of filming, I just existed and gave myself time to rewind from all the overthinking. And during that time, I randomly started watching these really soft, cute, comforting Ghibli movies on Netflix. No expectations from it, no, I need to learn something from this, just plain watching. But somehow they ended up helping me more than I expected. So this vlog is not what I planned, but maybe it's what I needed. So yeah, like I said, I didn't really plan to talk about this, but these past 2 weeks I just needed something that didn't demand anything from me. No productivity, no pressure, no what's next in life type thought. And that's when I started watching these Studio Ghibli movies on Netflix. And I don't know how to explain it, but they feel very gentle. Like they are not trying to impress you, they are not fast, they are not loud. They just exist and somehow it helps in calming you down. तो अगर आपको लो फील हो रहा है इन योर लाइफ देन दिस वीडियो इज़ फॉर यू. इट माइट हेल्प यू रिचार्ज. My brain genuinely needed a recharge क्योंकि it's not about the whole 5 years experience that I want to share with you all, but the major challenge for my mind is breaking that whole journey into little pieces chronologically as they happened. So yeah, I want my mind to be clutter free. These movies have helped me deal with that. So I hope this video helps you and these movies help you get over your stress. एनीमे तो बहुत सारे देखे मैंने बचपन से. लाइक रिसेंटली तो मैंने डेथ नोट देखा था. एंड आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू वॉच डीमन स्लेयर. बट लेट्स गेट बैक टू द गिबली मूवीज़. गिबली का अलग ही एक फीलिंग है. इट जस्ट स्लोज यू डाउन. डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गिबली मूवीज़ यू आर वॉचिंग. मैं जो आपको बताने वाली हूँ वो सारे ऐसे फील गुड मूवीज़ है एंड इट विल एम्पावर यू एंड मेक यू फील motivated. So yeah, let's start the video. Okay, I think the first one I watched was Spirited Away, and I didn't expect to relate to it this much because the character Chihiro is literally thrown into a world जहाँ उसको कुछ पता नहीं रहता, कुछ समझ नहीं आता. Everything is unfamiliar. She's scared. She doesn't know what she's doing, and I was like, okay, this is exactly how majority of my days feel right now. Like I've come back, everything feels different. I feel a bit disconnected from who I used to be when I was here before going abroad, and I keep thinking I need to figure it all out quickly. But watching her just take one step at a time, even when she's scared, it made me feel like maybe it's okay to not have clarity yet. Maybe just continuing is enough. So yeah, that was my learning from Spirited Away movie. Please go and watch it now if you haven't. Then I watched Kiki's Delivery Service and वो इतना cute था. This one honestly it hit me a little too personally because Kiki loses her ability to fly, and that's one thing which defines her. And there's this phase where she just feels blank, like she's there but not really herself, and I related to that so much. Like when I'm not creating, not working, not doing what I'm supposed to do, you start questioning your identity. You are like, okay, then who am I? And that movie just quietly reminded me, maybe I don't have to earn my identity through doing stuff, being productive all the time. Maybe I'm still me, even when I'm resting, confused, or not doing much. उसके बाद मैंने पोन्यो देखा. पोन्यो वॉज वेरी डिफरेंट, chaotic, इमोशनल, एंड उसमें लॉजिकल सेंस बन नहीं रहा था मूवी में, बट द मूवी इज़ सो प्योर. आई थिंक दैट्स वॉट आई नीडेड टू बी रिमाइंडेड टू फील समथिंग सिंपल अगेन. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस आजकल हम इतने फास्ट पेस में बस चलते जा रहे हैं विदाउट थिंकिंग अबाउट आवर डेस्टिनेशन. तो या वी नीड टू फील something simple again. Not everything has to be perfectly planned or making sense. Sometimes life just is messy but magical at the same time, and that's okay. Next, I watched My Neighbor Totoro. My Neighbor Totoro, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like ये मूवी में कुछ बड़ा होता नहीं है, बट एवरीथिंग लाइक एवरी सीन फील सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. It's just kids, nature, small moments, two cute girl kids. And while watching it, I realized कि हम सब कितने disconnected हैं from the kind of slowness that used to exist before this fast paced world. And I've been so stuck in my head with future, career, life decisions. I realized I just forgot how to just sit, observe and exist. तो अगर आपको भी ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि यू आर मिसिंग दैट स्लोनेस इन योर लाइफ just while having your dinner or lunch, or if you're not doing that as well, just watch this movie. You'll feel so good and heartwarming. Okay, Kiki's delivery service will always be my favorite, but the next favorite is Ariyati. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि this movie actually made me feel and think about how we have been measuring our lives, because her world is so small and tiny, but it's still full, meaningful, and beautiful. And I think I've been subconsciously comparing my life to what it should have, would have, could have looked like right now. कि मुझे I should be doing more, I should be achieving more, being more. But maybe this phase, even if it feels small, still matters, and that's a reminder for you as well. So, yes, go watch Ariyatti if you haven't. तो ये मूवीज़ तो मैंने सारे देख लिए फुली. अब फ़िलहाल मैं ये वीडियो बनाने के पहले जो देख रही थी, जो मैंने स्टार्ट किया, वो है फ्रॉम अप ऑन पॉपी हिल. So I'm still watching it. I haven't watched it full, but it already feels nostalgic, like holding on to the past, but also slowly moving forward. And I think that's exactly where I am in my life right now. A part of me is still too much attached to who I was before my life abroad, that version of me. And I'm missing that version of me here because I feel disconnected here. And another part of my life is like, okay, now what? And I don't have an answer yet. But ये जो मूवी अभी मैं देख रही हूँ, it's reminding me कि I think I'm slowly becoming okay with that feeling of not having all the answers. Yes. So go watch it as well. तो हाँ, I didn't expect कि गिबली स्टूडियो मूवीज़ मुझे ऐसे थॉट्स के साथ हेल्प करेगी और मोटिवेट करेगी, बट दे डिड नॉट बाय गिविंग मी द आंसर्स, बट बाय मेकिंग मी फील लाइक आई डोंट नीड ऑल द आंसर्स राइट अवे राइट नाउ. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट आई नीडेड द मोस्ट in this phase. So yeah, I don't think I have figured everything out yet. I'm still dealing with the overthinking, still trying to understand this phase of my life, still learning how to slow down without feeling guilty about the many things, many past decisions that I've taken. But I think I'm a little kinder to myself now after watching these Ghibli movies, and for now, that's enough for me. If you're watching this and if you have been feeling low, stuck, or just not like yourself, maybe don't rush to fix everything. You can't do it all at once. Maybe just find something soft, something that lets your mind rest a little. Take up any of your hobby, keep doing it for like 20, 21 days until it becomes a habit. So you find that me time, self time for yourself in your chaotic schedule. And so the best thing that has happened to me in these past weeks is I've got some motivation, some courage, a more feeling of self love. And अभी चुल मची है जापनीज़ पढ़ने की, to learn to speak Japanese I mean. तो हाँ, कर तो रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे क्यूट लगता है उनका टोन एंड उनका वे ऑफ लिविंग एंड उनका कल्चर, इट्स सो नाइस. एंड या आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू start learning to speak Japanese. And thank you to you all for staying even when I disappeared, even when I'm not keeping myself consistent. It actually means more to me than I say. Japanese में बोलूँ तो arigato gozaimasu, hontou ni arigato, otsukare-sama, and daijoubu. I'm still learning, but I think I really like this language and their way of living. A little slower, a little softer. ओके, मैं अपना फाइनल आउटरो जापानीज़ में ट्राई करने वाली हूँ. बेयर विथ मी. 次のブログで会いましょう。それまで自分を大事にね。同じ心、新しいページ。